Today is going to be a pretty quick video on how to replace the cabin air filter on a 5th generation Ram. Now this is located behind the lower glove box, and on the right hand side you have a soft close or soft open mechanism that just holds in there by a little keyhole. It's pretty easy to pull it forward and then release it. Now on the back of the glove box it has a split on the right hand side. Now to remove the glove box we have to first pull the back forward while simultaneously pushing the side over so it can bypass the stop. It's a little tough to do because I'm trying to do the camera work while at the same time doing this one-handed, but you can kind of see that stop back there. Once you get that bypassed, then you can just pull up on the right-hand corner of the glove box and release it from its clips on the bottom. Now at the back is where our cabin air filter is, and these just hold, the cover just holds on there with a couple of clips that are, if I was doing this without the camera, it'd be fairly easy to get it off, but they just pull out, and then you can remove your air filter. Now you have to twist it or position it over to the left a little bit so it'll come out cleanly. And these air filters, the airflow goes down, so when we put the new filter in, I want to remember to put it in the same orientation. Again, just twist it to the left a little bit until it gets started in there, and you can get it straightened up, and then you can push it all the way back. Then we just do everything in reverse order. Now we just put our cover back on. This one took me a little bit of time because I'm trying to do the camera, hold the camera and light everything and put it in one-handed, but trust me, this goes in a little simpler than what it took me to get it in here trying to do the camera work. Once you have that clipped in there, then we can do everything in reverse order. So when we go back in with the glove box, we first want to put it on the left-hand side clip. We're going to snap that in place first, and I'll show you that there's a stop on the other side there that we have to make sure that we get it past, get the glove box set on that first clip, and then push the glove box forward so that the secondary clip will bypass and go into the location where it's supposed to go. Once we're bypassed, then we can just kind of rest it in place on the other two clips and snap it down, and it will hold into place. Now you can put that soft close, pull it out beforehand. I didn't because I'm again trying to do all this one-handed, but you can still get to it to pull that soft open, I should say, and put it back in its keyhole. Once we have that, now all we have to do is just push the right-hand clip over, and that's it. The glove box will close back up. Now I did this process on a 2023 Ram 3500 cabin chassis. This was with Laramie trim, but it should work for your regular 1 tons and 3/4 tons, regardless of their trim level. Even my 2018 Tradesman had a cabin air filter in it, though the process for the 4th generation is just a slightly different than for the 5th generation. The trim changed just slightly on the glove box. Nonetheless, this is a fairly easy process to do, and it should be viable for all the trim levels in a Ram 3500 or 2500. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. I'll see you in the next one.